Hello, my name is Snehal Khutafare and he is my younger brother Sanchit Khutafare. We belongs to Nagpur, Maharashtra. Actually, he was suffering with heart problems. So many problems he was suffering from last 2 months, like breathing problems, stomach infection, and other. And just because of his main heart blood vein is damaged, and first of all we consult to our hometown hospitals, and they suggested, for a surgery, but it is a critical surgery. So they said they don't have an equipment and facilities so that they can treat him in Nagpur. So they suggested us to travel Hyderabad and Medicover Hospital. And when we reach here and made to Pramod Reddy sir, before consulting to Pramod Reddy sir, we are in very much pressure actually, because we heard this type of surgeries for the first time. And replacement of one natural part with artificial one is for the first time we heard all these kind of surgeries. So we are in very much pressure how it comes and how to overcome and all. But once we meet and consult with Dr. Reddy sir, our 80 to 90% pressure get over, just because of his talkative nature, his way of consulting us, way of guiding us. His surgery was performed on 2nd of January. It was 15 hours it took for a surgery, but he recovered and he's absolutely fine right now, just because of hospital management and doctors' efforts. Because doctor treat him very carefully, and nurses, he was in ICU for 10 to 12 days after surgery, and all the nurses took care of his diet, all medicines. And obviously after surgery he wasn't, even as a patient he was in pressure, what happened to me or kya ho raha hai mujhe, and all such situations. But the nurses and doctors in ICU treat him very carefully and helping. They are very helpful. So he recovered very easily just because of hospital management. And of course doctors are very good, and we are really happy after coming to here.
I'm Dr. Pramod Reddy. I'm Chief Cardiothoracic and Aortic Surgeon in Medicover Hospital, High Tech City. Recently, we operated this patient. He is a 20 years old boy. He's an engineering student, came from Nagpur. He had a very bad disease. He is born with a connective tissue disorder called Marfan syndrome. And what it means is that the tissue of the aorta and the tissue of the muscles are weak. So he had the aortic dissection. The tube which comes out of the heart is called the aorta. There was a split in the wall of the aorta, and then the blood was going in two parts instead of one. One is called false lumen and one is called true lumen. So instead of going into the one path, it has split, and there were two parts in the aorta. So it is a very dangerous disease to have, and it's a very rare. Normally, most of the patients are in 50s and 60s, but since this boy has a connective tissue disorder, so this patient has presented very early. And this is a very deadly disease because the blood pressure is very high in this tube, and then anytime it can rupture. So the mortality in these types of patients, we say it's 25% of the patient die in one day, and 50% of the patients die in 2 days. So surgery has to be done as early as possible. And surgery also is very risk surgery. So even if you do surgery, there are chances of 30% chances that patient may not survive. Plus the chances of stroke and chances of paraplegia are more in these types of patients. So what we did different in these patients, these types of surgery we routinely do in our center. We are well equipped with these types of and handling these types of cases in our center. So we used a newer technique which is most commonly used in European countries and UK and US, in advanced countries, and that technology has come to us. Previously, we used to do this surgery in 2 stages. We used to open from here first, and then from side second stage, or we put a stent in the second stage. But in this patient, instead of doing 2 stages, we have done this surgery in a 1 stage. So there is an elephant trunk. It's called a frozen elephant trunk, which is a graft which is now available in India. We can use it. It's a tube with a stent. The distal part of the tube has got a stent. So it's a stent plus tube. It's a combination of these two. So we do surgery from here and then put a stent down and then complete the procedure. So having said that, this procedure is very complicated. It takes around 10 to 12 hours to do this surgery. So during this surgery, we have to cool the patient to 18 to 20 degree so that the blood circulation we can stop the blood circulation for some time, and the tissue are still viable for some time. But still we have some time limit. So we have to finish the critical part of the surgery in 30 to 45 minutes and then restart the circulation. It's called a deep hypothermic circulatory arrest. So there is no flow in the body, no blood is flowing in the body. It's almost like a dead man without any blood supply. Only the brain is protected during that time, but we cool the patient so that organs are well protected. So once the critical part is over, then we start circulation and then we start rewarming him to the normal. And this surgery is very complicated surgery because other problems are also there, like lung, kidneys, other organs also we have to take care of these types of in these types of patients. Plus the biggest problem in these types of patients is bleeding, because we are replacing the tube, which is a high pressure tube. So the chances of bleeding are there, the blood products are required, the hospital stay also is more, we have to ventilate for 1 or 2 days till the bleeding is settled. So these types of patients we are able to handle in our center. So what does elephant trunk? Elephant trunk is a recent technology. So we use this technology and we did this surgery in a single stage, and he's recovered in 10 days and we were able to discharge him in 10 days. Now presently he came for follow-up and he's doing well. And he wants to pursue his engineering career and grow in the future. So the advantages of doing a single stage is that he doesn't need any surgery in the future, and the life expectancy or the quality of life is better for him.
Good afternoon, I'm Sai Nagendra, cardiac anesthetist. We did a major surgery on 2nd of January 2021, the frozen elephant trunk. We have many challenges for this case. It's an emergency. If you delay this case, there's a high chance of mortality. So we have taken as early as possible. Our main challenge is neuroprotection. We have to cool the patient to 19 to 20 degrees. There's no blood supply to the body, only supply is to brain. So we have to cool the brain. We have to keep ice packs and everything to protect the brain. And major challenge is bleeding. We have to give many blood products like platelets, cryoprecipitate, FFP to control the bleeding. Even after giving the many blood products, there are high chance of bleeding. So in our hospital, they're very well equipped and very talented, very good team is there to look after everything. Post-operative management is also very difficult for these patients. Patients will be ventilated for 2 to 3 days till the bleeding settle down. But we have finished. We have done very well. Sir did very well. There are many chances of re-exploration for this patient, but we never had any issue. Bleeding is settled. Patient came off a ventilator within 1 day, and we shifted down to next ICU within 1 week, and patient is doing well now.